everyone, Jenna Nelson here, Application Specialist at Blue Marble Geographics. Today I'm talking to you about sharing your user settings. The ability to save and export your user settings is a very handy feature in Global Mapper. Whether you want to create a backup of your settings and customizations, move them to another computer, or share them with your colleagues. It's actually as simple as going to the Help menu and finding the option to export user settings. But before we do that, I want to review the things that you can save and export. So you have the ability to share your toolbar layout, like mine's seen here. You can also save and share your particular favorite commands that you might have added to the drop-down in favorites. There's also a number of things in configuration. So any of your general settings here, such as your measure and unit settings, those can be saved and shared as well. Another particularly handy one is if you've created a lot of custom feature styles, any of your point, area, or line style customizations, you can export those all in one go as well. Now, obviously, if you just wanted to share a single one, you could right-click on that and save that to a styles file. But the option I'm going to show you allows you to export the entire set of them. Another thing that you can export and share is any of your custom datums that you may have added. So if you've added datums via a transformation, you'll be able to export that, along with any custom ellipsoids that you've added as well. Moving on, a couple more things. If you have created custom shaders, those can all be shared as well. So within the shader dialog, you can find shader options if you wanted to just be able to share a single shader. And the option here allows you to go ahead and click the edit button and pop that open. So here you see you have an option to save that to a CLR file, but that would be just a single shader. And again, the option that I'm going to show you will save all of your custom shaders. Finally, one more thing that you can include in this export is any custom online data sources that you've defined in the online data tool. All right, so going back to the Help menu and clicking Export User Settings pops up a dialog where you can then choose which of these things you would like to include in the export. So if you are making a backup for yourself, you probably want all of it. But if you're sharing with a colleague, maybe you only want to send them some of the feature styles or feature types. In that case, you could uncheck everything else, and that way your custom shaders, etc., won't overwrite their settings. So again, anything that you send to the user to load from this file, it will overwrite their settings. So click OK when you're ready to export and save that file type. And then on the other machine, you just go to Global Mapper and in the Help menu, use the Import User Settings option and point to that file. If you have any questions, visit our website or contact us at geohelp@bluemarblegeo.com. Thanks for watching.